Hi everyone, so this is my first video, my first pregnancy vlog. I wanted to start making it before I turned 10 weeks, but things happened. I went through a lot of stuff and all of that, so I'm making it now, but I'm just gonna do a quick review of what happened, like from 5 weeks until now. So, um, when I found out I was pregnant, they thought I was 8 weeks, but I actually wasn't 8 weeks. After I went and did an ultrasound, the ultrasound showed that I was actually 5 weeks and 2 days, which was okay because we got to see the baby's heartbeat and stuff. So I was really happy about that. Anyway, from that time, before that, I did not have symptoms like I was pregnant. I only had like cramping, like I was gonna have my regular cycle. Well, irregular cycle because it's irregular. But anyway, and tender breast. That's all I had, which was normal for your cycle, right? So I didn't really think anything of it. But anyways, um, and it was like 5 weeks then. So during that time, I I felt tired. After I found out, I felt tired. I felt tired, really, really tired. Excuse me. I felt really, really tired. Did not vomit. Week 5, I did not vomit at all. I had nausea though. I work at a restaurant. I'm a cook. I'm a cook. So the food there is just ugh, to me right now. The smell of everything at my restaurant is just ugh. Just don't even want to think about it because even if I think about it, I feel like ugh. I just don't vomit, but I just feel the nausea. Anyway, but I'm fine with it though because this is my first baby and I'm so happy. So happy. My hubby's happy. He's, oh my gosh, he's always rubbing my tummy and, talking to my tummy even though it's so early. I'm only 10 weeks now, but at that time, it was at 5 weeks, he was even doing that. But anyway, 6 week, 6 week, actually, before I go into 6 week, at 5 week, my baby was a size of a sesame seed, tiny, really tiny. Anyway, and and during that 5 week, when I saw the ultrasound, the baby was moving all over. We couldn't even get a good measurement of the baby. It was moving all over. But anyway, I was so happy. So 6 week, nausea was still there. Tender breast, oh my god, tender breast was still there, but it was not that bad as before. And I still had the cramps, so I was wondering if it was something was going on or what. But I was fine because I talked to my doctor and she said it's fine sometimes to have cramping. But 6 week, nausea, didn't vomit, fatigue. I was really tired. Come in, sometimes I'll just go to bed. I normally go to bed like 12:01 in the morning, and sometimes I come in like 8, 9, 9, 10. I'm already in bed. So that's a different thing for me because I'm so tired all the time. So 7 week. I was supposed to have a I was supposed to have an ultrasound at 8 weeks, but they put it off until I'm actually going to be 13 weeks. 13, yeah. So that's gonna be like 2 weeks from now, which I'm so happy. I can't wait. Right, because I didn't get to hear the baby's heartbeat before, so I'll be able to hear the baby's heartbeat this time. So anyway, at 7 weeks, nausea is still there. I think I only vomited once through that week. Um, what else? What else? Oh yeah, my breast. It was heavy, really heavy, but tenderness wasn't that much there. But it was really really heavy, full, like full. Right. Still tired, really still tired. My doctor said, well, maybe it's because you know it's your first child, so yeah, maybe it's that. I'm not too sure. Yeah. Anyway, anyway, 8 weeks. Nausea still. The smell of things so strong. I think no, I didn't vomit. 8 week, I didn't vomit in 8 weeks. Um, what else? What else? Still tired. Still tired. Yeah, that's pretty much it for 8 weeks. It's um good pregnancy so far. Less vomiting, so I'm good. I'm good. I'm happy about that. Um, 9 weeks. I started to feel cramping. I actually started to feel like the baby's growing, like lower, like way down to my waistline. I feel it feels different, right? I got nausea in 9 weeks. I'm tired, heavy breath, right? I think I vomited like 2 times. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, about 2 times. What else? Um, I think that was yeah. I started to feel like some small cramps though, like, but it wasn't that bad. Like in 5 weeks. Anyway, 10 week. That was last week. Nausea was there, and I only vomited once, which was good. Tiredness is not that bad as before, right? Sometimes I'll feel so tired when I'm on the road, and when I come in, I'm okay. I don't want to sleep. Sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Sorry. Anyway, um, yeah. So nausea was still there. The food that I'm smelling, I don't want. And also, I have this craving. I've been craving salty, anything sour. So I don't know, guys, if you think I heard a saying that if you're craving anything salty, anything sour, you may be a boy baby. So I may be thinking that I'm gonna have a boy baby. Yeah. So oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But anyway, yeah. Even when I eat apples, I love to eat apples and mangoes. I eat it with salt. Even watermelon, sweet watermelon, I'm eating with salt. Yeah. And those Skittles, sour Skittles, oh my god, they're my favorite. They're my bestie right now. Yeah. Anything sour, anything salty. Yeah, give it to me. But one thing though, I've tried to pickle, but I'm not a big fan of the pickle thing. I don't know, maybe I just need to eat it with something else. But it brings that taste to me, and then it leaves that aftertaste, which I don't like. So it brings me the salty, soury taste, which is good, and then after it brings me this aftertaste, which I don't like. So maybe I have to eat with something. I don't know. Yeah, anything greasy since 5 months. Oh, I'm sorry, 5 months. Oh, 5 weeks until now. Until now, I'm 11 weeks. Officially today, I'm 11 weeks. Yeah. Until now, I don't want greasy. No, that's a no. And my job requires greasy food, so I'm always around greasy food, but I don't eat it. Either I'm chewing some strawberries, something, but greasy food, it's a no. I don't like it. Anyway, that was my 10th week. Nausea, just nausea. I think I vomited 2 times. Less tired. Less breast tenderness. Way less. I already feel it right now, but I just feel full. That's pretty much it. And I don't know, but I think it was 2 days ago when I was at work, and it was like I was doing something. I was just standing there, and I just feel this little flicker in my tummy. But I don't know. Maybe it was just me thinking. I don't know. But yeah. Hopefully that was the baby move. Hopefully. Or maybe it was just my mind. Anyway, 11 week. I'm gonna give you guys a upload when I'm like 12 weeks, so that will be about next week. Or I'm thinking of doing like every 2 weeks, because everyone's like doing every week, you know, or just do every 2 weeks, because there's so much videos and sometimes you're so tired and you're coming saying, oh, I'm so sorry that, you know, I didn't make a video last week, which you could, you know, do it like every 2 weeks. So I'm thinking of doing it every 2 weeks. So if you don't see a video from me next week, then it's obviously a 2 week thing. Yeah. So the next thing I'm excited about is my 2 week wait for my other ultrasound. I'm so happy. So this ultrasound I'm gonna do is a detail ultrasound. That's what she told me. And they're pretty much gonna see if the baby have Down syndrome and all of those things. So pretty excited for that. And I get to have a CD, a DVD with the baby on it. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. So yes guys, so this is my first pregnancy vlog from week 5. From week 5, so sorry. From week 5 until week 11, which is today. Right? So I'm gonna do one more when if I don't do it, as what I said, if I don't do it next week, you'll get it when I'm 13 weeks. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please leave me comments or questions, anything, because I'm so nervous, I'm so anxious, I'm so happy, I'm overwhelmed because of this whole thing. I'm so happy, right? And also I am due in March the 20th, 2015. I'll also put it in the link, so in my prescription thing, you know, description thing. Yeah, anyway, alright, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm searching on the net to see so many more videos that like in my range when I'm gonna be due, so hopefully I find some of that. Thank you for watching my video though. Bye. I'm Shana, by the way. Bye.